today's video, we are going to be making a flower bookmark. To make the bookmark, you are going to need a colour for the centre, a colour for the petals, a colour for the leaves, a crochet hook, a stitch marker, and scissors. I'm going to be using white as my centre, blue as my petals, and green as my stem. Starting off with the colour you want your centre to be, create a magic ring by wrapping the yarn around your fingers, crossing over facing towards you. Rotate, insert your hook under the first loop, pull through the second, twist, and grab the yarn attached to the skein and pull through. You then want to chain one, and that will count as your first single crochet. We are now going to do a total of 10 single crochets into the magic ring. To do a single crochet into the magic ring, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. That counts as your second single crochet. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Once you've done 10 single crochets into the magic ring, pull the yarn tail to tighten. Once you've pulled the yarn tail tight, insert your hook in between the first chain and the single crochet. So insert your hook and do a slip stitch by yarning over, pull through, and pull through again. We're then going to chain one and cut our yarn. Pull through and pull to tighten, and once you've done this, tighten the magic ring until the center has closed. And I like to tie the two tails together so that they stay out of the way. Once you've done as many knots as you would like, you can cut the excess yarn off. You now have the center of your flower. Once you've created your center, grab the coloured yarn you want your petals to be, inserting the hook through the front 2 loops of the single crochet, yarn over and pull through the new colour, and then tie a knot. Once you've tied a knot to secure your yarn, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over and pull through. We are then going to chain 3 by yarning over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And we're going to do 2 triple crochets into the same stitch. So to do a triple crochet, yarn over twice so there's 3 loops on the hook, insert your hook into the same chain space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2. I'm going to do that one more time. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We're then going to slip stitch into the next chain space. And you have now completed your first petal. To do the next petal, do 3 triple crochets into the next stitch. So yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Do that 2 more times. Once you've done this, slip stitch into the next chain space. Repeat this until you get to the other side of the first petal. Once you've completed your last petal, slip stitch into the last stitch. Once you've slip stitched, chain 1 and cut your yarn. Pull through and pull tight to tighten the knot. You have now completed your flower. You may want to push the petals up so that you can see each petal and then become more defined. I then like to tie a knot with the yarn tail. Once you've tied your yarn tails together, we are going to start on the stem. You're now going to want to get the colour you want your stem to be and insert it where you finished the last round. Insert the yarn, pull through and tie a knot with the new yarn. Once you've tied on the new colour, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over and pull through. You are now going to chain 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Once you have chained however long you want your bookmark to be, double crochet into the second chain from the hook. So yarn over, insert your hook into the second chain from the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You're then going to half triple crochet into the next chain space. So yarn over twice, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3. You're then going to triple crochet into the next chain space, so yarn over twice, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Half triple crochet into the next chain space, yarn over twice, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3. Once you've done this, double crochet into the next chain space by yarning over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You are then going to slip stitch into the next chain space, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, and pull through again. This is one half of your leaf, and if you find that they're too separated to your liking, all you have to do is redo the chain and make the chain spaces tighter. I don't mind that the leaf is bigger, so I'm going to continue on. You are now going to chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to repeat what we did again, but into these chain spaces. So double crochet into the first chain space by yarning over. So second chain space from the hook. do a double crochet, we're then going to do a half triple crochet, so yarn over twice, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3. Now do a triple crochet, half triple crochet, double crochet, and then we're going to slip stitch into the first chain space that we did the other leaf. Insert your hook and do a slip stitch. Now that you've done this, you can chain 1 and cut a medium-sized tail of the yarn. Pull through, and if you're happy with how your flower looks, you can leave it like this and you have finished. If not, I am going to sew using my tail to make the flower into a heart, and I'm going to flip it upside down so that the leaves are facing up like this. To do this, with your yarn tail, insert your hook through the chain space and then into the original chain and pull through. Repeat this however many times going up the chain. Once you're happy with the placement of your leaves, tie a knot with the yarn tail. I like to tie a few and try to push them down as close to the crochet project as possible. Once we've pulled the yarn tail, we can cut it. We can also go back to the flower and tie more knots, making sure they're nice and tight so that it gives the most seamless look. Once you've tied your knots, cut the yarn tail as close to the knot as possible. You have now made your own flower bookmark. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and leave a comment to let me know how your project went.